Question 7. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards, a coin is flipped, and a 6-sided die is rolled. Part 1. How many outcomes are possible? So when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So there's 52 cards. We're going to multiply that by the number of sides on the coin, which is 2. And we're going to multiply that by the number of sides on the die, which is 6. So 52 cards multiplied by 2 sides of the coin multiplied by 6 sides of the die gives us 624 possible outcomes. Question 2. Name one possible outcome. So there's 624 different possible outcomes that you could come up with, but one possible outcome is choosing the ace of hearts out of the cards, landing on heads for the coin, and landing on 2 for the die. So remember, there's 624 altogether that you can come up with. This is just one possible outcome. Question 8. A 6-sided die is rolled 5 times. Part 1. How many outcomes are possible? So again, when we hear the phrase how many, we want to think multiply. So when we roll the die the first time, there are 6 possible outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. When we roll it the second time, we have another 6 possible outcomes. When we roll it the third time, we have another 6 possible outcomes, and so on. And we do this all together 5 times. So it's going to be 6 by 6 by 6 by 6 by 6, which is really 6 to the power of 5. So the 6-sided die is rolled 5 times, and 6 to the power of 5 is 7,776 possible outcomes. Part 2, name one possible outcome. So obviously there's nearly 8,000 different outcomes that we could come up with, but one possible outcome is 65112. So that means we landed on 6 the first time we rolled it. We landed on 5 the second time we rolled. We landed on 1 the third time we rolled. We landed on 1 the fourth time we rolled. And we landed on 2 the last time we rolled. So this is just one possible outcome out of a total of 7,776 possible outcomes that we could come up with.